On the heels of an especially dry winter, agencies and officials across the Grand Canyon state are gearing up for an early start to fire season. That includes Governor Doug Ducey.
We expect this year's conditions to make the fire season especially challenging.
And Arizona State Forester Jeff Whitney.
This year, every fuel bed at every elevation in the state is my biggest concern.
Whitney brings more than 45 years of fire experience to the table.
This isn't even comparable to the kind of conditions prior to the Rodeo Chetasky fire in 2002, or the Cave Creek complex in 2005, or the Wildfire in 2011.
With the safety of wildland firefighters and the state's communities in mind, Governor Ducey is increasing Arizona's effort in wildfire prevention.
I've requested in our budget that we double our investment in fire prevention funding from $1 million to $2 million. This includes funds to remove hazardous vegetation and more.
Though fire officials are taking proactive measures to lessen the risk of fire across the state, they're urging Arizonans to take action early to reduce the threat of fire. These steps include clearing defensible space around your home, assembling an emergency kit with enough food, water, and supplies to last 72 hours, creating a family communication and evacuation plan, and being ready to evacuate at a moment's notice.
Please help us spread the word. We're asking all of our citizens to do their part, and we'll do ours.
To learn more about how to protect yourself, your family, and your home against wildfires, visit ein.az.gov/ready-set-go.